Hi guys, Poundland today. I bought myself a little notebook. Why did I buy a notebook? Because of the cover. It's lenticular. Not a lot goes on. If you study it carefully, this little guy's eyes move. That one's teeth move. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. That star moves. Oh yeah, you can see it if I hold my finger there. This guy's eye moves as well. Well, they all move a little bit, but not much. What I want to do is use it for my solar rocker, lenticular solar rocker. Just cut a strip of this and see if we can rock it using the sunlight. So it just rocks backwards and forwards enough for you to be able to see the 3D animation, I suppose you could call it. Or if you look at that red star and that blue one, you can see they're swapping places. But the trouble is, it's got to rock that way round, not that way. So I'm going to have to cut it into strips this way, which means they'll be facing the wrong way. But I just want to be able to see if we can see the movement when it rocks. Right. I could just cut it up here. I'm going to see if I can just release it. Take that over there. I could just pull it hard, it would probably come out, but I'm trying to do it gently. So there we are. So we've still got a perfectly good notebook. That's the bit I'm going to try and rock. If you haven't seen the previous videos, this is the original version, almost. So it's the base out of a solar rocker, and then all I did was I put my business card on a piece of straightened out paper clip, supported on these two wire pivots, and it's rocking because the light is shining on the solar panel. Circuit board in there is sending pulses of current through the coil, creating a magnetic field that's either attracting or repelling the magnet that's hanging on the end of my business card. So that was the first attempt, and then I found I did actually have some lenticular, well, they're like jigsaw parts actually, part of a set of 16 ladybirds, and as you move them you get the lenticular action. What I'm going to do now is just use this fella, do exactly the same thing, but try and balance it so that we get quite a lot of movement at the top end. So that's what I want to do. So I need to adjust the pivot point. I may need to trim it as well to get the balance right. But we'll use the same bit of wire across there and put it on. Yeah, best example there is just looking at that blue star and the red star in comparison. So just to recap what I've done there, I've cut this from the cover of the book, but I've balanced it quite low down by adding quite a few weights. Well, I say quite a few weights. There's the weight of the magnet and some bits of blue tack to counterbalance the weight of the top part of this. That's about 2/3 above and 1/3 below, just so we get more movement at the top. I think that'll do. And the more I look at it, the more I like that red star moving around in relation to the blue star. 3D effect. I've adjusted the balance. We've actually got quite a slow swing now. I think we can see his smile moving better. When I say adjusted the balance, I've just added some blue tack on the bottom. Well, in fact, I added more. I've just taken some off and it's swinging better now. So still not perfect, still not what I really wanted, but we have at least got a lenticular solar rocker. just remembered I really want the solar panel behind it so that that can be facing the sun while this is facing inwards. So that's why I've just moved it round. So I'll now go and put this in the window ledge, although as you can already see it's dark outside. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.